Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today it's going to be a short video explaining how I got wicked out of my 3RR EURUSD trade, which as you can see, it is continuing to go to my direction. And yeah, so first thing first, you turn on my session indicator, and as I always say, I always wait for the first two, either the first or the second hourly candle of the London session to sweep either the Asian high or the Asian low. So as you can see, the first one did it, and so I had to go to the 5 minutes to look for my entries, and I always check a closure below the recent low or high. So in this case, I'm checking the closure below a recent low, and so it was here. This low marked a fair value gap that was left. And so, as I always tell you guys, I always enter the retests. Are they filled when the fair value gap is filled, and then you go to the opposite direction, or you target the previous Asian low or high. So I set my limits, and I entered there, targeted 3RR, and unfortunately, guys, I was wicked out. Like literally wicked out. But I came to notice there was a better entry. If I would have been more patient, I would have entered at this inverse fair value gap. You see, I would have entered in at this. It is a balanced price range, so this one was a better entry. And if I could have entered there, you see if I could have entered there, my TP would have been hit. But you must follow your playbook, and it is a learning curve, guys. So I don't feel bad. There are more days to trade. I don't take this negatively, and yeah. So see you guys on another video. But before that, I wanted to talk about GBP USD. I did not give an outlook, but previously on my previous video, I was telling you guys I was expecting GBP USD to continue dumping, because as you can see, this one was my first target. I did not give this video, but I took this entry. It was almost 5RR. This was my first target, and then this one is my second target. So I'm waiting. I have just missed an entry, but I'll wait for a retest in this fair value gap, and yeah. So if there will be an entry here, I will enter. But this one is my target, this low, and then after that you can see how the market will play. But always check on DXY. If DXY even has not even hit our first target, and GBP USD has hit our first target, now going to the second one, so there is still a downward momentum to it. But yeah, I will give a weekly review on Sunday, yeah, concerning that. But today was concerning Euro USD. I got wicked out, and yeah, that's the name of the game. Just soldier on, and you take note of what you have learned. Like here, I took note I would have entered in a balanced price range, yeah, to avoid that loss. So guys, see you on the next one.